Hello learner, today we are going to see the maintenance of partner's capital account in a partnership firm. There are two methods by which partners are keeping their capital account in a business. One is fixed capital method and another is fluctuating capital method. Under fixed capital method, they are not changing the amount, they are not changing the capital introduced, the amount, they are not doing any adjustment in capital, just they are keeping the amount of capital as it is. Whenever they introduce the new capital, they will introduce a new capital into the business that will be added to the capital. Otherwise, no changes will be made into the fixed capital method. Then the question is arise how they will treat the other adjustments which is regarded to partners in a business, right? So for that they are creating one additional account which is called partners current account, right? All the transactions regarding partners interest on capital, interest on drawing, salary paid to partners and other bonus and other things which is related to partners are reflected on the current account of partners. And under fluctuating capital method, all the capital adjustments, all the adjustments regarding partners will be done in capital account itself. So every year the closing capital will be found out and that will be transferred to the balance sheet. Let us see the difference between the fixed capital method and fluctuating capital method. The number of account, there are two accounts, one is capital account and as I said, second one is current account of partner. In fluctuating capital method, there are only one account which is known as capital account of partners. Nature of account remain unaltered, मतलब यहाँ पे nature of account यानी कि जब भी हम fixed capital के अंदर capital account बनाते हैं that will be remain unaltered यानी कि उसमें कुछ changes नहीं होंगे. It may fluctuate, उसमें capital opening capital भी अलग होगी and closing capital every year it will change. Adjustments क्या आएंगे? Adjustments like interest on capital drawing, interest on drawing, etc. are made in the current account and not in capital account under the fixed capital method. While in current capital under the fluctuating capital method, adjustments are made in the capital account itself, right? अभी उसको books of account में appreciation कैसे करना, मतलब दिखाना कैसे है? Both the capital and current account will be appear in the books. And under the fluctuating capital method, there is only one account which is capital account will be represented. Specific mention क्या करना है? It should be specifically mentioned in the partnership deed कि partnership firm will maintain the fixed capital method or fluctuating capital method. And अगर आप fluctuating capital method follow करते हो, it is not necessary to maintain to show it into the partnership deed agreement. Credit balance and debit balance. Fixed capital account always shows a credit balance. Fixed capital में क्या होगा? Credit balance होगी partners की. Whenever partners have started their business, cash account debited or bank account debited to partners capital account. तो वो credit ही रहेगी, उसमें कुछ it remain unaltered. तो उसमें कुछ changes नहीं होगा. It will always have a credit balance. While in fluctuating capital, it may show sometime a debit balance, right? Thank you.